What's up, everybody? So I just picked this up off Amazon, propeller holder for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This is it right here. So this is it. Nice little sturdy plastic. One strap. It's pretty basic for the most part. Let me show you how it goes on. This is the front of the drone where the camera's at. This is the back, obviously. F for front, B for back. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. I'm gonna flip my drone over. You don't have to. You can do it with one hand, with two hands. It'd be easier, but I'm doing it with one because I got to hold the camera. So this goes right there, as you see, just like that. Then you turn it over. One hand, and it snaps right there. And there you go. Oh, missed the propeller. Let's open it back up. Bring that around. There you go. Snaps right in place. And there you go. All set. Nice and secure. Propellers won't move around while it's in your bag. That's nice. They're like $10 for it. Can't beat it. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can order one. This company right there. Pretty nice. I like it. All right. Easy to put on. Not too bad. All right. See you guys on the next one.